Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog. And I just launched my kayak from here, from Birzebbugia. I am trying to get out of port and hopefully start visiting the area where it's Talmara, behind here, Benaisa. It will all depend because the wind has picked up a little bit, so it depends how much strong the wind is. If not, I will explore inside here. Today I will be testing a new piece of kit, which is this one. This is the Riot Kayak's splash cover. Hopefully I don't have water coming into my kayak and I don't have my legs sunburned like this. In this vlog I have to thank my sponsors, which is the JM Motors car dealership, who kindly sponsored this video, and Zoleo, who kindly donated the device for testing for this month. I'm still near the Fee Port. Here, once I sighted a small dolphin. Some advice when going kayaking: first of all, check the weather. Secondly, tell somebody where you're going and when you think you'll be back. Very important, always use the PFD. It's useless you have the PFD at the back of the kayak, because if you fall you cannot use it. I always carry my mobile phone in the PFD, so in case I fall from or detach from the kayak, I always have the phone on me. I always have the Zoleo satellite communicator just in case I don't have reception. I always have a knife here that can help me to cut. Maybe I got entangled in something, and at the end, if you have a sit on top or sit inside kayak, always practice getting up inside the kayak again. Me, I'm still in the 3-point area because you have more than 1 kilometer to get out of port from the bay in Birzebbugia. And we are outside port now. So it's a bit choppy, but nothing serious, you know. Now we are reaching Benaisa area. As you can feel, it's windy now. It's about force 3 to force 4. But it's a little bit choppy. So here there's a bay, which I will have to go and see. I think you can see behind me there's a very big container ship, and now I'm trying to go in Xaqqa Valley with the Xaqqa. Now I am where there's the glass storage facility in the Fee Port area, and then but the wind now is very strong. I will go as close to shore as possible. Maybe it's more sheltered. How nice are these concrete blocks here? They are here for the waves, that will break waves, that will break water. Here the wind is very strong, and it's hard to paddle against the wind and the waves. What I will do, I will go into that valley so I can take a small break and explore that valley as well. And then I start heading back to the sheltered harbor, because even the waves, you know, are getting much bigger. But to say, thank God I got this water spray cover yesterday. Paddling against the wind And the waves. It's a good weather out there. Now we are going into this small village here. Then one can take a break here from this wind and these waves. There is a rock there. Some beaches in here. But here we are sheltered from the wind. One can find some installations here, most probably connected to oil industry, maybe even World War II. But here nearly no one, there's no wind, huh? A very, very smooth reach, huh? Can't find another small bridge, huh? It is nice. It looks that it's not only me who is seeking shelter today. Look at this small duck here. Look at this duck here. He came for shelter as well, like him. And it was sheltered from the sun as well. Here is Xaqqa Valley, and I will show you better. I got confused with Xaqqa Cliffs, which is the same name, but one is cliffs and one is valley. And let me show you better this area. And I am a bit sheltered and taking a small break here. So now I head out again and start heading back because it's too windy and the waves are getting bigger. So better safe than sorry. This is the valley here. And even inside I am going around with the wind there. Look how fast you start drifting with the wind. It's nice to paddle in calm water. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. It was me, Pierre Farrugia. Please like and subscribe on YouTube. And also if you want to follow me on Instagram, it will be great help. It's Pierre Farrugia Malta. And now we have to head back into the wind. Because once you start pushing on the wind, but here the waves are okay. Once we get out, we start getting the waves. But it was a nice paddle. It was a little bit short this time. I also tried this one, Riot Kayaks hedge cover. I don't know exactly the name. And it was very good. No water inside. And also my legs were in the shade all the time, which is another plus.